Today I will show healthy and super crunchy fried and baked potato wedges recipe. Water 1.5 liter, potato 4 pieces, salt 2 teaspoon. You can see all potatoes are already cleaned and washed, so no need to peel off the skin of the potatoes. Cut the potato into half. After that, divide the potato again. Then cut the potato again. Cut the potato again. In this way, divide one potato into 8 pieces. One potato you have to divide into 8 pieces. Place all potatoes in a bowl. Again wash it with cold water. Wash and clean it very well. See, all potato slices are well cleaned. No need to peel off the skin of the potato. In a pan, place all the potatoes. Cover the potato slices with 1.5 liter water. Salt. Mix well. Now switch on the flame. Now cover it. Cook it over medium flame until it is 80% done. It will take 10 minutes. It will help to remove extra esters from the potatoes. After 10 minutes, open the cover. Let's check the potatoes. Check it with a fork. It is 80% done. Now strain it and place on the kitchen towel. Flour half cup, corn flour 1/4 cup, rice flour 1/4 cup, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Water as required for a batter. Melted butter 2 tablespoons, chopped coriander leaves 1 teaspoon. In a bowl, add flour, cornstarch, rice flour. Now add salt, garlic powder, chili flakes and oregano. 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. Now mix dry ingredients very well. Now add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Mix well. Now gradually add water. Mix well. Again add water. Mix well. See the texture, it is thin. Fry potato slices in 2 batches. Coat the potato with batter. Remove excess. Now it is ready to fry. Now place the potato in the hot oil. Fry all potato slices for 8 minutes over medium heat. After 8 minutes, it becomes golden color. Now transfer it in a plate. See how much crispy. It is very much crunchy. See the texture. Outside super crunchy and inside is very fluffy. Now fry second batch. Fry all potato slices for 8 minutes over medium heat. After 8 minutes, it becomes golden color. Now transfer it in a plate. Serve with tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. Fried potato wedges are ready. Brush olive oil on the baking tray. Coat the potato with batter. Remove excess. Now it is ready to bake. Preheat oven and bake potato wedges at 220 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Baked potato wedges are ready. It is also very crunchy. Place tomato ketchup. Serve baked potato wedges. My fried and baked potato wedges are ready. When you bake the potato slices, no need to boil. Hope enjoy my recipe. Thank you for watching YouTube channel Health is Beauty.